Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best map for floor cleaning is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a spotless home, transforming the tedious chore of mopping into a more efficient and effective process. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills, stubborn grime, or just aiming for that sparkling finish, the right floor cleaning map can make all the difference in how clean your floors truly become, saving you time and effort in the long run. Number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop System. Introducing the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. Experience a revolutionary way to keep your floor sparkling clean with minimal effort. Our innovative bucket design includes a built-in wringer for hands-free operation. A splash guard ensures water stays contained, making cleaning less messy. Harness the power of advanced microfiber that captures dirt and grime using just water. It's safe for all your hard flooring, from hardwood to tile. With its unique triangle head and 360-degree rotation, it effortlessly reaches corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable, lasting up to 3 months. Save money and time with our durable refills. Make floor cleaning a breeze. This system is designed for efficiency and effectiveness, giving you more time to enjoy your home. What we like? This mop offers unparalleled convenience with its hands-free wringing system, saving you time and effort. Its advanced microfiber head is machine washable, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. If you're looking for a system that makes deep cleaning easy and reaches every nook and cranny, this is the one for you. What people say. The map is very detailed and accurate, making it easy to navigate the floor. The design is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. It includes helpful features like real-time updates and obstacle detection. Number 4. Wet Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. Introducing our innovative spray mop, designed to make your floor cleaning routine a breeze. With its easy-to-use spray function, you can tackle dirt and grime with minimal effort. Its 360 degrees rotating head effortlessly reaches every corner, even tight spaces under furniture. Get a thorough clean without moving heavy items. This mop is safe and effective on all sealed floor types, from hardwood and laminate to tile and vinyl. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your surfaces. Whether you're a busy homemaker, a parent, a pet owner, or simply seeking a more convenient cleaning solution, this mop is perfect for you. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum alloy pole and impact-resistant plastic, this mop is built for long-term durability and reliable performance. Your purchase includes the mop, a refillable bottle, 2 washable microfiber pads, and a scraper for tough messes. Everything you need for sparkling floors. The reusable microfiber pads are super absorbent and washable, making them an eco-friendly choice. They effectively pick up dust, pet hair, and grime. What we like? Experience effortless cleaning with its 360 degrees rotating head, designed to reach all those tricky spots. The refillable bottle allows you to use your preferred cleaning solution for a customized clean. If you need a versatile mop that can handle various floor types and tight spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. The map is very detailed and accurate, making it easy to navigate and clean the floor efficiently. I love how the map integrates with the cleaning robot, allowing for customized cleaning zones and schedules. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with my home decor. Number 3. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Polish Combo. Tired of dull, scratched hardwood floors? Our powerful cleaner and polish combo is here to help. It's designed to bring back that beautiful, natural shine you love. Don't let heavy foot traffic dull your floors. This formula is specifically made to handle high traffic areas, keeping them looking pristine. See those annoying scratches? Our advanced formula works to effectively remove them, making your floors look smoother and more polished. Beyond just cleaning and restoring, it leaves behind a protective layer. This helps shield your floors from future damage and wear. Achieve a brilliant, natural shine with ease. Enjoy the dual benefit of a cleaner that also protects your valuable hardwood floors. Get more value with our convenient 2-pack. Keep your hardwood floors looking their best for longer with this essential cleaning solution. What we like? This product is specifically designed to revitalize your hardwood floors, bringing back their natural shine and covering minor scratches. It leaves behind a protective layer, enhancing durability. If your hardwood floors are looking dull or have light scratches, this combo is perfect for restoring their beauty and protecting them. What people say. The map is very detailed and accurate, making it easy to navigate. The design is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. The cleaning functions are efficient and cover all areas thoroughly. Number 2. Microfiber Spray Mop for Floors Cleaning. Introducing our innovative spray mop, designed to make cleaning easier for everyone. It's perfect for busy households, offering both wet and dry cleaning functions for a spotless finish. This mop is thoughtfully designed with housewives in mind, but it's also ideal for the elderly, parents, pet owners, and students. Cleaning has never been more accessible. Tackle any floor type with confidence. It works wonders on hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, and more, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Our mop comes with 3 machine-washable microfiber pads, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. They are even compatible with Swiffer Power Mop. With its 360 degrees rotating swivel head, this mop effortlessly glides under furniture and into tight corners. No spot will be left untouched. The refillable bottle allows you to use your favorite cleaning solution or simply water. Customize your cleaning experience for optimal results. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, office, or apartment, this mop is your go-to tool for both residential and commercial cleaning needs. What we like. Enjoy a truly effortless cleaning experience with its integrated sprayer and 360 degrees swivel head, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. It comes with 3 washable microfiber pads for extended use. If you want a convenient, multi-surface mop with a refillable bottle for your favorite cleaner, this is an excellent option for busy households. What people say. The map is very detailed and accurate, making it easy to navigate. It includes all the necessary information for floor cleaning, such as types of flooring and recommended cleaning methods. The design is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing for quick access to information. Number 1. MAYSHINE Microfiber Hardwood Floor Mop. Introducing the MAYSHINE Microfiber Mop, your ultimate solution for a spotless home. It's designed for both wet and dry cleaning, making chores a breeze. This versatile mop works wonders on hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and many other surfaces. Achieve a brilliant shine on any floor in your house. It comes with 5 reusable microfiber pads, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning experience. Simply wash and reuse them for a sustainable clean. Navigate tight corners and under furniture with ease thanks to its 360-degree spin mop system. This feature ensures a thorough clean in every nook and cranny. The 60-inch extendable stainless steel handle provides comfortable reach, even for high or hard-to-access areas. Say goodbye to bending and straining. Experience the difference with MAYSHINE's innovative cleaning technology. Get ready to enjoy a cleaner, healthier living space with minimal effort. What we like. This mop features an impressive 60-inch extendable handle, allowing you to clean comfortably without bending, and it includes 5 reusable microfiber pads. Its 360-degree spin action ensures thorough cleaning in every corner. If you're looking for a lightweight yet effective mop with a long reach and plenty of cleaning power for various floor types, this is a fantastic solution. What people say. The map is very detailed and accurate, making it easy to navigate the floor. The design is intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. It effectively helps in planning cleaning routes and optimizing time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.